question is, three rotten apples are mixed with seven fresh apples. Find the probability distribution of the number of rotten apples. If three apples are drawn one by one with replacement, find the mean of the number of rotten apples. The or part of the same question is, in a shop X, 30 tins of ghee of type A and 40 tins of ghee of type B, which look alike, are kept for sale. While in shop Y, similar 50 tins of ghee of type A and 60 tins of ghee of type B are there. 1 tin of ghee is purchased from one of the randomly selected shops and is found to be of type B. Find the probability that it is purchased from shop Y. So the number of rotten apples is 3. The number of fresh apples is 7. So the total number of apples becomes 3 plus 7, that is 10. Then the probability of rotten apples would be total number of rotten apples upon total number of apples, that is 3 by 10, that is 0.3. And probability of fresh apples or good apples would be total number of good apples upon total number of all apples, that is 7 by 10, that is 0.7. Now, three apples are chosen at random. For zero rotten apples, we have 3C 0. The probability of rotten apples would be 0, and the probability of good apples would be 0.70 power 3. And hence we have calculated this. For one rotten apple, the combination is this. Two rotten apples, the combination is this. And for three rotten apples, the combination is this. There cannot be more than three rotten apples, that the total number of rotten apples are 3. We need to find the mean. And to find the mean, we'll multiply the number of rotten apples into the probability. So the answer for mean comes out to be 1.929. Now the or part of the question. Let event 1 represent the event of selecting from shop X. Let event 2 represent the event of selecting from shop Y, and let E be the event of selecting of type B ghee. Now the probability that shop X is selected will be equal to the probability that shop Y will be selected. So the probability of even is equal to probability of that is 1 by 2. Now we calculate the probability for selecting B type ghee if shop X is selected, that is 40 by 70, because there are 40 tins of type B ghee in shop X and total 70 tins of ghee in shop X. And the probability for selecting the B type ghee from shop Y would be 60 by 110, because there are total 60 type B ghee tins of type B ghee in shop Y and total of 110 tins of ghee in shop Y. So the probability that shop Y is selected When type BE is found, can be calculated out using this formula. So after putting the values, the answer comes out to be 21 by 40.